You might be thinking with those decorations, you need a little bit of real snow. There's some snow in the forecast, but we got to get through a little bit of a warmer type of precipitation first. Not today, though, and tomorrow. Dry forecast makes it a little bit easier for us to get into the swing of things after the weekend and, well, having a lot of fun. But come Wednesday and Thursday, here comes that change. We're going to be looking at rain for both days, and then, well, if you're kind of needing a little bit of snow, we have that. A few snow showers are going to wrap up our work week, and I'm hoping, though, to keep that forecast dry on the weekend. That's when we want to have some fun. Now, close to home, pretty quiet here. The cloudy skies is what we're working with, but I have my attention further west because we have some snow, we have some rain. The system not completely organized yet, but it's going to be the source of energy for that midweek storm. So we're going to be watching Wednesday and Thursday here locally to see some rain showers, and we'll have those, well, the energy is a little disjointed. That's why we're watching for Wednesday and Thursday. However, Thursday will come with a little more of a mild feeling. We're not talking a heat wave though, but we are talking some warmer temperatures. So as we have this low pressure system, it's going to move across the plains, and you're going to find a lot of snow into the northern central plains and even a severe risk further south, but we're sandwiched right in the middle. So we're going to be seeing that rainfall here Wednesday morning at 11 o'clock, but a lot of the energy is actually going to jolt out right in through the southern portion of the Buckeye State into Kentucky. But that doesn't mean we're in the clear. We have another burst of energy going to be bringing more widespread showers for us Thursday morning. And that's only the beginnings of the system. We still have the backside that we have to get through, so that's what we have in store for your Friday forecast. With this rotating counterclockwise, you'll have that cold air from the north locking in that chilly air for our forecast, holding highs into the 30s. And even over those lakes, we could be looking at lake effects. So that's why we have those snow showers in. Not going to bring us a bunch, but it might just add that festive feel. Now, temperatures outside, those are currently sitting into the upper 30s. We haven't seen these numbers jump a whole lot even from this morning. So it's 38 in Toledo, 37 for Monroe, Fremont, Tiffin, Findlay. 37 is a pretty common number. 43 though in Napoleon, and yet 32 in Wauseon. So our temperatures, though they're stretched, a lot of us are going to hold steady in the mid to upper 30s. As highs today are only going to be around 40 degrees because we do have those cloudy conditions, hoping for a peak of sun, but odds are not likely. We do have lighter winds, so there's not as much bite in that air, but you will find that tomorrow pretty identical to today. Temperatures are going to be into the lower 40s. We'll start tomorrow with a low around 30 degrees and dry weather, but here we go with the wet conditions. Wednesday and Thursday, here's that mild day. Highs will be around 47. And I'm hoping, though, to keep that weekend dry. We have a lot of plans that we're going to be watching for, but you will find even those temperatures hold steady into the 30s for us. We're going to hold there to finish out this 10-day forecast, and it'll be chilly enough that we're watching for another round of snow showers for early next week after the weekend to kind of get us back into the swing. So on a Monday, I'm happy to see a dry forecast, but that's definitely going to change come Wednesday and Thursday. It's going to be umbrella weather by then.
Yeah, and not even like snow boot weather, but umbrella weather.
Yes, rain boots. We'll be using those instead.
This time of year, I think people are going to not be excited about that, but I like the warmer weather. I don't know.
Yeah, the more mild feeling. Rain's a little bit easier to drive in, but I also, you know, maybe a little bit of snow when I don't have to drive into it. It kind of gives us that feeling. Feels good.
In a week and a half when I'm not here, then I'll take the snow and I don't have to drive in it.
There you go. I think that's a good compromise. I'll put it in order right now.
Put it in order. All right.